Hello and welcome back to this lecture of AutoCAD again. And here are two important 2D commands that we are going to learn today, that is chamfer and fillet. To understand it better, let's draw an example of a rectangle. We all know that a chamfer and fillet works on this corner of that rectangle or any sets. Chamfer is situated at this position just below the reason command on our toolbar. Just click on that, and now suppose you have to give chamfer on this corner, so you just type D, enter, and you give the distance from this corner to that point. So suppose the distance is of 0.1 and press enter. Now again give this distance on the second line. That was the distance on first line and second line, and it depends on the line which we will choose. So 0.10 again and press enter. Now select the first line and select the second line. Okay, so this is the chamfer which we have applied. You can also apply the chamfer on all of the corners at the same time. So to understand that, let's select the chamfer, and you see there are different options given here, that is angle, polyline, distance, angle, trim, method, multiple. You just have to select the polyline. Okay, so you just go and type P, enter, and now you have to give the distance of the first point 0.10, enter, again 0.10 and enter, and you now just go and select this polyline, and now you have your object applied with the chamfer command. Okay, so this is the chamfer command which we use. Make sure that when you are going to select the polyline, you must have joined all the lines of that object. In case of the rectangle, you must have made the rectangle by the rectangle command, or if you are making that rectangle by a line command, you must join those all elements of the line. So now go on this fillet command. So now let's understand the fillet command. Fillet is basically used on the corner like chamfer, but it is the radius. It is a circular shape which we provide on the corner of that rectangle. So click on this fillet command, and now it is not clicked it. Okay, and now you type just R, enter, and give the radius 0.10. I am going to give here, and press enter, and then select the first line and the second line. Here we have made a chamfer of 0.10 mm radius on this shape. Similarly, if you want to apply on all of the corners at the same time, you just type P spacebar and give the radius 0.10, press enter, and okay, this is what we needed. So this is all about chamfer and fillet command. Remember it, it's going to be used when you're designing. Thank you.